Hello everyone, we have this very interesting question from geometry. This question was asked in one of the Indian MBA entrance exam. Okay, there's an MBA entrance exam called as CAT. It was asked in that exam. So let's see how to solve this question. In this question, we are given a triangle ABC and a line segment from point C to line segment AB intersecting at point D. Okay. And we are also given some side lengths. DB is 9, CD is 6, BC is 12. We are also given that angle BCD, this angle is equals to angle BAC. That means this angle. Yes, these two angles are equal to each other. And we need to find the ratio of perimeter of triangle ADC, this small triangle. We need to find the perimeter for this and perimeter of triangle BDC. The perimeter of triangle BDC can be easily found. All the three sides are given. So to find the ratio of this perimeter of both the triangles, let's see what we can do. So first of all, I will be drawing this small triangle BCD separately, or BDC separately. Let me draw this separately. I will tell you why I'm drawing this separately. So this is the angle A and angle C are equal. Angle BCD and angle A are equal to each other. So let this be point C, and we can see that angle B is here, and let me mark point B here, BCD. So I've drawn the small triangle separately. Here BC is 12 and CD is 6 and BD is 9. Okay. So let me now look at the angles. See, angle C is equals to angle A. This angle in the top figure. Yes. These two angles are equal to each other. This is given. Now after this we can see angle B is here as well and angle B is here as well. So one more angle is equal in these two triangles. Now what can I say? I can use A, sorry, I'll just erase this. This is not triangle. This is A, similarity. Let me write it properly. A, and A, similarity. Yes. See, once the two angles in two triangles are equal, the third angle will automatically be equal because the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So this is called AAA similarity when three angles of two triangles are equal to each other. Now once these two triangles are similar, let me write this down. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle CBD. Okay, these two triangles are similar to each other. Now what happens? If two triangles are similar to each other, the corresponding sides of the two triangles are in the same ratio. That means AB upon CB will be equal to BC upon BD. BD will be equal to AC. Okay, again it is forming an angle. This is AC over CB. Okay. Now using this, let's find out few sides of triangle ABC. Let's use this. So what is AB here? We don't have AB with us, but we have BC with us, or CB, that is 12. This is equals to BC by BD. What is BC? BC is 12 and BD is 9. This is equals to AC. We don't have the length of AC upon CD. What is the length of CD? 6. Now, first I will pick up these two. If I solve these two, what I will get? I will get AB as AB equals to 12 times 12 over 9, which is equals to 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 4, that means 16. So the length of AB is equals to 16. Okay. Now, similarly, I will choose this one and this one. From this, I will find out AC. 12 over 9 is equals to AC over 6. If we solve this, we will get AC is equals to 12 times 6 upon 9, 3 times 3, 3 times 2, 3 times 4. That means AC will turn out to be 8. This is the length of AC. Okay. So after this, we can easily find the perimeter of ADC and BDC. Let's see how. See, AC is 8 as we have found out. AB is, what is the length of AB? AB is 16. See, if AB is 16 and BD is 9, this will turn out to be 7. AD will turn out to be 7. Correct. Now we are almost reaching to the final answer. We need to find the ratio of perimeter of triangle ADC over perimeter of triangle BDC. So what is the perimeter of triangle ADC? That is AD. Okay, AD plus DC plus AC upon BDC. What is the perimeter of triangle BDC? That is BD plus BC plus DC. Okay, let's substitute the values. AD, what is the length of AD? 7 plus DC is 6 plus 8 upon BD. BD is 9 plus BC is 12 plus DC is 6. So if I solve this, I will get 21 over 27. If we simplify this, we will get 3 times 7, 21, 3 times 9, 27. So this 7 by 9 will be our final answer. This will be the ratio of these two triangles that we need to find out. So this question mark is 7 over 9. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the solution. If yes, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.